What's up, guys? It's Logan. So I'm back with another video today. In today's video, I'm basically going to be taking you on a journey with me. I'm going to a Korean spa for the first time. Pretty much like a week ago, my friend and I decided to just go to a Korean spa for the first time. It's pretty much the whole point of a Korean spa is like for relaxation and meditation, I guess. Like basically like a regular spa, but just Korean style. So it's basically like a lot of different saunas and jacuzzis and like ice baths and just different like relaxation rooms, or like rooms that are like salt filled with salt, or rooms that are filled with like different types of lights, different things like that. So we ended up getting up one night, going and getting like a bottle. Actually, we was drinking Fireball. You guys are gonna see that, and then we just went in. You guys are gonna basically be seeing the beginning, and then like I couldn't take the camera into the all nude part. It's basically like when you walk in, it's like an all nude men's side and an all nude women's side, and then you go into like the other parts of the facility. There's a water park also on the facility, but by the time we got there about midnight. So like the water park was closed. The whole like the Korean style point of the whole thing is that it's 24 hours, and a lot of the Koreans come there to sleep and relax. But you guys are gonna see that and continue watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Okay, so it's supposed to be like jacuzzis, saunas, ice rooms, saunas, more jacuzzis, nude jacuzzis, more saunas. I don't know. It's just supposed to be a lot of fun stuff. I had never heard of this place, but I've been Googling it and I've been YouTubing it a lot to like look at reviews, and I just really kind of like what I've seen. So basically, I'm trying it out. I just feel like who wouldn't want to go to a jacuzzi and a sauna, and an ice bath, and then back to the jacuzzi. So we're here. We're gonna try it out, and yeah. Feel me? Sideways. So at this point, they told me I had to put the camera up because we're going back into like the nude only section. But I'm gonna pick back and resume the video once we're into the saunas. So basically, after we leave the locker room where there's the multiple locker rooms and then like the all men saunas and all men jacuzzis, we come out into like the place where like the men and women mix up, and we're basically in here now in this sauna. They have like a sauna, an ice room, then they have like 3 or 4 other like saunas basically. Um, and like there's just a lot of people sleeping. I'm surprised at how many kids there are. It's like multiple kids here, and it's like awkward because it's like who actually bring their families here. I don't understand. But honestly, this is a good place to come. Like if you're going out of town, and you don't want to pay for a hotel, just go to a Korean spa and spend a night there because it's a lot cheaper than a hotel. But it's like multiple people sleeping, and I'm like I'm ready to go home and get in my bed and go to sleep. But it's different. I like it. Somebody looking.